Hello everyone, how are you doing? Is your study going well? Today we have another long vowel. Its sound is E, E. Since it's a long vowel, it's an extended sound, and it takes time of 2 counts. E, E. As if you were taking time for pronouncing 2 letters. E, E. It is the equivalent for E, and this is how it looks. I think there is a similarity between their shapes, and this could help you connect the shape with the sound. Please repeat after me. E, E. You need to lower your lip and stretch it. E, E. Let's focus on the shape and repeat the sound. E, E.